Picture this. You're chilling outside your house, enjoying some music, when suddenly, the vibe takes a dark turn. Gunshots echo through your neighborhood, instantly flipping your enjoyment into panic. That's precisely what went down in this video.
Hey, get inside. Get inside.
He's staying right there. Yep. Someone got shot.
I'm gonna run.
The neighbors, understandably, were freaked out. The drama didn't stop there. After a while, more shots rang out continuously.
Hey, where's Jose?
He walked that way. He went that way.
He went that way. Okay, yeah, he went to the back for Jessica. Jose. I don't know. He just.
Pretty unnerving, isn't it? Some folks have zero qualms about strolling into someone's house in broad daylight, blissfully oblivious to the fact that it's downright illegal. A duo consisting of a guy and a girl decided to break into a house with intentions that certainly weren't in the realm of goodness. In Albuquerque, New Mexico, around 1 a.m., a young woman entered someone's backyard through the driveway. She roamed around, seemingly undeterred by the motion lights. However, her nighttime adventure took an unexpected turn when the voice-activated motion ring light kicked in, sending her off in a startled retreat. A man approaches the door of a house and presses the doorbell. The homeowner, perplexed and somewhat alarmed, cautiously questions the stranger's presence at their front door. The man doesn't answer any questions, but continuously points his finger without uttering a single word.
How's your name? Huh?
Take a watch.
Did you get
Jimmy.
The owner asks the guy to leave, but he continues his odd behavior.
You need to leave.
The homeowner then threatens to release the dog, but the guy doesn't seem bothered.
Hey,
I'm gonna get the gloves on you if you don't leave. You need to leave or I'm gonna get the dogs on you. No. I'm gonna call the dogs on you.
After some time, he finally leaves. In the quiet hours of the night, a woman appeared at a random house, holding an intriguing device in her hand, hinting at mischief. She moved closer to the doorbell camera, leaving her intentions unclear. The eerie encounter left the homeowners puzzled and concerned about the unknown device she wielded. In Orange, California, a guy strolled onto someone's driveway, casually inspecting a car to see if it was left unlocked. However, this wasn't his first escapade. The night before, he had broken into a neighboring property, making off with a lawnmower and trimmer. The community remained on alert, unaware of when he might strike next. In the late hours of the night, a woman was caught on a doorbell camera trespassing onto someone's property. Making a beeline for the mailbox, she executed her covert mission with precision, swiftly gathering all the mail. What she was up to is anyone's guess. At 2 a.m., the CCTV camera captured a man stopping to read a banner, carefully ensuring the coast was clear. After circling the location, he was quickly joined by a second individual. One of them made his way into the catering box, stealing what he could, although the loot amounted to only about 50 euros, hardly worth the trouble he went through. In a calculated move, a group of burglars, covered from head to toe, infiltrated a house, unaware that their every move was being recorded. As they cautiously entered the living room, their conversation revealed a methodical plan to steal easily portable items. Their second round of looting indicated a practiced approach, suggesting this wasn't their first job. The lack of proper locks and security alarms made the house an easy target for their calculated intrusion. Hold on to our final clip, which is the most scariest and most creepiest one. And if you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our creepiest videos. In a harrowing incident in North Hollywood, a couple found themselves cornered in their parking garage during the early hours of October 10th. The assailants, one of whom was identified as 22-year-old Deshaun Dow, attempted to take the man's watch forcibly. When the man resisted, Dow pressed a weapon against his chest, compelling him to surrender his valuables. The suspects swiftly fled in a getaway car.
A total violation. To have your property stolen in the place that you live is absolutely insane.
How dare you feel like you have the right to walk up and take somebody else's possessions that you haven't earned?
It's bold to just be waiting in a garage that's gated with no fear of that. It shows the audaciousness of it. You're in a position where it's property or life. You're going to protect life, of course.
LAPD is actively searching for Dow, who has a history of involvement in several robberies in the area and has managed to post bail 5 times in the last 18 months.